Hey guys, one of our favorite tops, we've brought it in gray for all you neutral lovers. So we've had this one in a gorgeous like racing dark green, we've had it in mauve, and now we've got your staple gray. This one is super stretchy, super flowy, perfect with jeans like this, like you can literally wear it as a tunic. It is actually long enough to wear as a dress as well. So great for like a little cover up at the pool or the beach, but then you can layer it over leggings and jeans as you wish. It's got pockets, which I freaking love. It's got this super cute V-neck, which looks great with the new bralettes. Nice, like kind of like rounded V-neck in the back as well, and insanely stretchy. So it's a nice flared cut anyway, and then it's got amazing stretch. It comes in small, medium, and large. Small fits anywhere from 0 to 8, 10. Medium fits anywhere from 10 all the way up to 18, and large fits anywhere from 18 through 24. If you do have any questions on this one, feel free to send us a message and we'll help you out. Otherwise, you can grab this in 3 separate colors. This one is the gray, which is my favorite, and I hope you guys grab it up.